Hey YouTube, just a comment about Trump here. Well, that sounded terrible. So I was in this long discussion with wait, is he a liberal? Okay, so I was in this long discussion with a liberal, and he told me that he really respects the values of his opposition, the Republicans. And I've been hearing this a lot recently, that Democrats have come out big time in support of traditional conservative Republican values. This is very interesting to me. I mean, I have a feeling this is just passive aggressiveness from liberals, that they really support conservative values, and that's why they can't support Trump. But, you know, I mean, I'm just going to give them the benefit of the doubt. So maybe they do really admire conservative values. So it looks like conservative values are on the uptick in America, because Trump has apparently inspired conservative values amongst liberals. Record conservative value up as well amongst passive aggressive amongst liberals in the U.S. It's a plus for Trump. He's really, you know, if he's not inspiring conservatives amongst the conservatives, he is amongst the liberals. Record passive aggressive conservatism. It's on the rise.